To download Fortnite on your iOS device or your iPhone, there are two ways. So first, let me show you. First, you need to open your browser and then search for Xbox Cloud Gaming Fortnite, and then go to the first result. Open the first one, and then it will show Fortnite. So basically it's cloud gaming. You will be able to play Fortnite through internet. It won't run on your device, but you will be able to play without any problem. Only the thing is you need a good internet connection. And then press get ready. Now you need to add this to your home screen. I have already added, so let me show you the process how you can add it. Press this button and then scroll down and then add to home screen, and then press the add button. So as you can see, I have already added this before. Let me remove this for this video. So as you can see, this is the icon now. So when you press here, this will load up automatically. Now from here you need to choose Fortnite. Tap the Fortnite, and then you need to sign into this Xbox account. Sign in. Now if you find these message, then unfortunately your region is not included in the beta program. So if you're from the tier 1 countries, then you will be able to play this without any problem. But if you are not from the tier 1 countries, then you can view supported regions. So it is only available for tier 1 countries.